Do you also have pain while passing motions, or do you have constipation and diarrhea intermittently? Hi, I'm Dr. Ankur Jain, Senior Consultant Gastroenterologist at Max Hospital, Dwarka, and today I'll be discussing about the most common problem which most of us face these days is Irritable Bowel Syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome or IBS is basically a stress-related psychological disorder of the intestine in which, so you can have constipation, you can have diarrhea, or you can have a mixed type of irritable bowel syndrome in which both symptoms of intermittent constipation and diarrhea can be present. So what are the causes of IBS? Mainly stressful lifestyle, mainly it is related to our psychological issues. If we are sleeping less, if we are having a lot of stress because of our job or of our lifestyle, then we are more predisposed to have irritable bowel syndrome. So how to get rid of IBS? Have a healthy lifestyle, avoid oily fatty food from outside, avoid alcohol, avoid smoking, go for a regular exercise, go for a healthy diet and high fiber rich food, and if still your symptoms are not resolved, go and visit your doctor and get yourself diagnosed. There are so many medicines and ways in which we can help you. If you have such symptoms, just visit your doctor and get yourself checked and treated. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.